Hi, my name is Christian Skoorsmith, and my virtual presentation for the 2021 convention is Trance-Gender, working with transgender clients. And this presentation is designed to help orient hypnotists and help hypnotists orient themselves to working with transgender clients in a professional, informed, culturally sensitive, and ethical manner. And let's face it, North American culture has become much more aware of gender identity as a diverse phenomenon, and we should be able to professionally respond to this growing consciousness. I'm a cis-gendered person. I'm a parent of transgender children, and so part of that journey for me has been specializing in making my practice a safe and productive place, particularly for transgender clients. And I presented on this at the last NGH conference, and the presentation was so well received that it's been now expanded to 2 hours, and it includes a larger discussion of relevant vocabulary, issues that impact transgender experience, hypnotic strategies and techniques that are especially helpful, and specific things that we can do to make our practices more trans-friendly, and of course, lots more. If you feel called to work more with this population or are seeing more transgender clients in your practice, then this workshop is for you. I look forward to seeing you online at the 21 NGH convention. See you there.